welcome to my channel. Today it's been a while and I wanted to do this because it's been a high demanded for this kind of hair on our website. I'm not really just putting this on the website because not everyone needs it, but it is something that everyone wanted. So I'm going to show you right now, and this is the down, 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 down. Okay, this is the 40-inch. I will have to stand in some, let you see. This is the 40-inch. Oh God, oh my God. 40-inch straight blonde. I know you have seen Nicki Minaj and some celebrities have very, very long hair. Like I don't know. I'm very short. I'm like 5'4". This hair is almost to like on my knees. Yeah. So here is the 40-inch blonde. Oh God, I love this color, to be honest. And it's very, very silky, shiny, and there's no any there's no any, there's no any, what do we say? Shedding. No shedding. And silky, like, it's very silky. So, okay. Now I'm back in normal and let you see. Sorry, the color is too, because I'm in the photo shoot room. So it's very neat. And compare with the hair itself, to be honest, the hair is not expensive at all because, it's very long. And it smells good. So, if you guys need any of this, just DM my, on my Instagram, I put there. So, my Instagram name is top1_berries fashion hair. And this is Lily. If you have any further questions, just let me know. And I hope you have any further demands of any other textures, you can let me know. And also, if you want to do wholesale, I would like to help you to start your own business about the hair. And I can do like tags, labels, satin bags, and also help you to promote in your area about the hair that you may need, based on the price that your client may want it. So please let me know whatever you need, and also feel free to contact me. I'll put my contact information under there too. So I think that's it, and this is all for the video today. Hope you guys have a wonderful week, and this is a 40-inch. Bye bye.